Ku-Sundowns tema ngifika yanga experience leyo nto ke manje yama-injury manje ayipheli 3 games ngingalimalanga lama-injuries and asnacks yabona kusila ukuthi uzofaka i-ice yawo uyaphola bowukhahleliwe. I've never been kicked even once but you uthola ukuthi sometimes nje bona nje kuyaqhuma ngaphansi kwenyawo groin yabona injury isikhathi eside. So those are the challenges that I faced. And wena awuzazi lezi zinto ezijwayelana share amashawa
nini namaroom yawa share
amajita nekhemi nekhemi yabona zonke lezo zinto ukuthi wena awuzipanisi lezo zinto so ziya-affecta somehow. Gordon Igerson, before I even touched the ball when he got to Sundowns, he told me a story. I didn't play Steve Likolea. I won the league and I resigned. So don't think you're gonna play because uthandwa ama-supporter ne-chairman. Hey,
how?
Ngakathinti neball.
How ndoda?
Ngakathinti neball. Ngitshela ingwenya mina ngathi nayi ingwenya yakho. Nayi ingwenya yakho ikhuluma kaso. Ngisafika nje ngakajim nokujima ingwenya ikhuluma kaso. Hayi president yathi yini?
Ayikho
Landa wathi no. You're gonna give Shakes an opportunity like every other player.
Bafethu we're back again at Hope Network Sports HPNS. Bafethu sibuyile ngesivunguvungu sibuyile. Siyabonga ngesupport bafethu. Thank you very much with the engagements. Please continue to support, subscribe, like and subscribe. Sikhona ku YouTube, sikhona ku TikTok, sikhona ku Facebook. Bafethu today izinja madoda, izinja. Sheki mngani wami.
Shosho mngani wami.
Fiti?
Shosho.
Yeah. No man mngani wami. Hey man, it's been a long time coming, Joyo. Man, ngiyabonga. I really appreciate man.
Yeah, for sure.
Ngiyazi mfethu ukuthi busy ngento zakho mngani wami yabo. So manje uyenza isikhathi vandag uvelile ta aliyazini vandag ngiyeza. Ngiyabonga mngani wami for that. I really appreciate. I feel very honored ukuthi ngiplume nawe kanjena yabona.
No, thanks for having me, my brother. Like it's been a long time coming. Dallas ikhuluma yabo, so it had to happen at some stage, and yeah, today is the day.
Sure, mngani wami.
Sure.
Yeah. Otherwise, uGrand impilo injani mfethu?
Siyayiphusha impilo mfethu, bathi ukukhala kusiza mfethu. Imbuzi yathi ekhala hayi wangena kakhulu mese bro wami, so asikhali siyaphambili.
Yeah.
Siphushi life.
Yeah. Siphila ngomthandazo.
Injalo mfethu siphila
uyachecha man.
Umusa kaNkulunkulu.
Uyasona.
Hayi church yami hayi. Sunday ethembisa. Emitlareng. No. I am a spiritual person, yabo.
Yeah.
I believe in God. I also believe in my ancestors, yabo. But I pray a lot when I'm alone. I believe in prayer. Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
So
all right. No man, yazi impeka ngisho man abantu bafuna ukucava ukuthi okay uShakes ubani kahle ubuyaphi ukhulelephi ukhule kanjani awuthe njani phila ukenzani ngiyangithola. I was just a small nyana brief nje usitshele nje ngawe ke kancane.
It's difficult man ukuyisama pha in a small nyana brief.
Ya kahle okay yenza ibe yinde ke.
Bringing yami ukuthi ngiqhamuka kuphi, but basically mina I was born in Soweto. Time last Soweto, all ladies from Soweto as well. I was born in Soweto, but I hardly lived in Soweto.
Yeah.
So sometimes bangibuzwa ukuthi where are you from, kuba nzima ukuthi ngithi Soweto ngoba ngikhulelanga khona.
Ngisho nabantu baseSoweto bayamangala.
Shakes yabona. I was born in Middlelands. eSoweto bengiza nje ngokuvakasha yabona ngoba as soon as ngazalwa we moved to Enquthu. Enquthu is in the Midlands of KwaZulu Natal. So lapho uMagriza bekane shop khona yabo ahlala eMadadeni eNewcastle. So I was moving from Newcastle to Enquthu, but bengeleze Enquthu ke from an early childhood yabona ngikhulele Enquthu nje in the Midlands. Edladleni nje bekune space esibhaya, so yanginike opportunity ukuthi ibhola kusho ukuthi into engikhule ngayo yabona ayiqalanga ngami time nalo belidlala time abebalibiza ngoStar igama bambiza ngoStar igama lakhe ngoba esikela bekantswembu ngedisk yabo
Yeah.
nomkhulu bekadlala neuncle naye beyidlala eSoweto bayayazi in fact uke wasayinana kuSwallows uncle yamupheli
Okay.
yabo but
Ubani?
yeah waba nama problems ama injury ke which is something that I grew to see ukuthi kusho ukuthi lento le
Ibuyaphi kahle kahle yenzwa
ngoba
yini?
nami nakho nami ama injury yabona
Yeah.
so yeah basically what I'm saying ukuthi ibhola liqalanga ngami ekhaya it's in the genes yabona so neyami intwana iyadlala manje nalencane iyeza uyabona itouch ukuthi khona yabona so yeah ngikhulele kakhulu eNquthu I went to school eNquthu and then I furthered my education ngaye nase Newcastle ngahlala eNewcastle which is where I started really playing my football yabo Newcastle schools football ngidlala St Dominic's got selected to represent under 14 Natal at the age of 10 together with the likes of Abo Dylan Shepherd Nabo Gareth Omshaw some of the players who eventually made it into professional level Dale Studinsky, those type of guys, besidlala against abo Southern Transvaal, abo Pamuza. At that time, abo Pamuza, kusase hit Ntswembu kakhulu at that level, abo schools football. So yeah, ngakhula kanjalo. And then the first team I ever played for, ngoba bengilo ngidlalela schools football nje. And then ngidlala provincially for Natal. But my first team was Wits University when I got to Johannesburg sengizogeleza eJozi manje. Nakhona ukuthi ngifike eJozi it was just because itime abele umuntu opopular eNquthu yabona bagcina bavula iANC eNquthu which was a stronghold IFP lapha yana abantu beIFP bathi sizofini sizoceda ngaye lo muntu lo so there was an informer yafika edlandeni yasho vele uthi yazini you are in danger that was the time ke simove from eNquthu siza eJozi which gave me that breakthrough ke ukuthi nami ngicina sengipursue my professional career yabona so nakhona it wasn't easy ngaya kubo Chiefs trials ngaya kubo uma trials School of Excellence yabo where there was thousands and thousands of people who told each chance 5 minutes ukuthi uthinta ibhola yabo iphelile trial I was never spotted there until I went to Wits yabona ku Wits nakhona there was lots of people yabo but khona iHrotman yayilapha yana ngathi mangiceda ukutrial yabo yathi hayi unga give up iza ku under 17 B team eVets yabo Ellen Freeze Ellen Freeze was the one who gave me that breakthrough wathi no unga give up iza ku under 17 B team so that's what I did ngaya ku under 17 B team nakhona zangihlala isikhathi eside lapho because after 3-4 training sessions after a couple of games but I know under 17 A team yabona sengijwayele ke manje sengirelaxile iconfidence seyikhona kanti that same year under 17 18 izoya eUSA yodlala iUSA Cup nakhona beku abantu bese balapha for the past season abahambayo yabo but because the time abehlalela ngisupporta lihlalela ikhona lakhuluma namangamla lapho uthi nami ngibe khona kule team eUSA so ngagcina ngiya nami eUSA mangibuya le ngibuya ngiphethe top goal scorer of the tournament lapha ngiphethe player of the tournament yabo that's when ke manje bacala bangithatha serious na ku Wits sebayenza sure ukuthi no lona uzosigna ku first team at some stage yabo so it didn't take long after that ngathola I first team contract ke ku coach lapha u John Layton was the coach of the first team Wits and then after about Roger Tisa who gave me my breakthrough in the professional ranks and then the rest is history.
Yo. Uyibeke kahle. So into grand mfethu engizwile wiringile grand ukuthi from edladleni shuthi from edladleni support edisk ezintwana ugame edisk boyithola na because it's not everyone ukuthi une support from ebazalini okay ngiyabona these days manje abazali baya supporting mara back then it was not that easy only a few nje so I think at the moment ngathi big up to our parents aba supporta incosi zabo yabona.
No, definitely.
Yeah.
No, definitely played a big part in my career. I mean, I supporting it all from my family, you know. Every time bengidlala bebakhona abasupporta yabona. They also taught me now as a parent manje intwana zama aspiring football players. Mangisuka nje lana mfethu ngiyolanda intwana ngise ejimini. It's important ukuthi ngiyisupporte. And yeah, not ukuthi izofika kulelo zinga. Maybe he can even do better than me, yabo.
Yeah.
But that support system is very important from my parents. And as you say, yabona thina bodaki support beyiza kanzima mfethu.
Sure.
Yabona,
sure.
So I was very fortunate ukuthi my parents wami angisupport. Nakhona futhi I won't blame kakhulu ama parents because kuningi mfethu asikhulanga ngokufana abanye kuyasokola yabona asifani namangamla who have businesses and they can afford nje ukuthi during the week bayobukela intwana ema Cape Town or kuphi yabona. So it's difficult. There's a lot of factors to that thing yabona, but support is very important for intwana.
Yeah, sure. So maungena ku first team yeVets maungena la uthola bobani changing room kushuta bobani la ama player adlala ama big player because ekufrostani nje kunalento ukuthi ama big player bani uyazitshela ukuthi noko kwami la yini vele ngishaya ibhathu la yabo umthetho.
Yeah. Not unfortunately enough masidlala ku under 19 yeVets we used to play a lot of friendly games with the first team yabona.
Okay.
So bese ikhona that connection yabona, sure, between the first team and under 19. We had a very strong under 19 team with the likes of Abo Benson Nhlongo, Abo Josta Dladla yabona. Almost 80% of the under 19 year to got promoted to the first team. That's how good our Colts team was yabo. Beshaya konke abo Raul laba beshaya go under 19 yabo. So when I got to the first team, I had already been acquainted to a lot of the guys. Bese saying communicate and nama players alapo, the likes of Abo Ashley Makanya, Abo Oscar Moholsho, Abo Elois Binjira, Abo Charles Yohani, the late, Abo a lot of big players, Rowan Malgu, Peter Godin, you know those guys. So yeah, I got to be introduced to PSL with those guys.
Yeah. My mauza ngayi bese uploma va manje njengoba nibuya ngayi eJozi.
Also masifike eJozi uAntwami twin sister le Oledi elihlala eFaramea eBinoni, so which is why nathi sagcina sicala vele eBinoni Crystal Park yabo. So a lot of people think ukuthi ngikhulele eDaveyton. Yeah, because I started my football career. I was staying there. Kuseduze. And amajita baya abona bo Shaful besazana from me level ye development.
Yeah.
Okay, abona nabo Clement, nabo Scapi, all those guys.
Yeah.
But angikhulelanga eDaveyton.
Yeah. So but how was the feeling nje ukuthi ungene manje ubona ukuthi ngiyadekena ngidlala ku first team yeVets ngisho vele nasekasi or wherever uhamba khona vele manje I-feeling nje kuwe nje injani because manje so i-professional player manje so uzovela TV or so velile nase TV even?
Yeah, no, it was a dream come true because it's something I'd always dreamt about, something I'd always seen myself nje ngithi mangiphupha ngidlala, you know, ngibukelwe abantu ababhaya yabona. So it's something I really believed was going to happen because every day was all about football for me yabo. Even when I was growing up eNquthu bengidlala ngiyi-1 ball control ngisifundisa ngiyi-1 izinto eziningi yabona, which helped me a lot. Mase ngifika ku the levels yabona, first touch yonke into pass nazo zonke lezo zinto lezo, because I really practiced those things. I developed myself a lot, yabo, playing alone.
So basically, transition was smooth.
Yeah, it was smooth. Yabo. And then when I went to Vets, yeah, saying Tola also that proper coaching, it became easier among Gena first team. Yabo. So for me, it was. I remember the day when I was told Uting you sign up for the first team. It was like, yeah, a dream come true. Team manager, Derek Blakency, he's the one who actually signed me to a first team, you know. And yeah, I just remember being very happy, Uti, finally that dream has come true.
Yeah. And that time, how old were you?
I was 16.
16?
16, 17, yeah.
Yeah.
16,
I think maybe 17.
Yeah, I think 17.
Yeah.
I think 17.
Manje ke ngoba uyazi mongena ku professional inyuku mawusayina kunenyuku contract kunelezi zinto zama agent when at that time kuhambani bathini.
Yeah, well mina I knew it's okay now I'm a professional player, I'm going to get paid. I didn't even care how much it was. The biggest thing was that nje I'm playing with the first team ngiyobukelwa TV manje mangidlala yabo. That was the biggest thing. And then also obviously getting a salary. I remember my first salary was 999. My first check at Vets was 999. And to me, it was a lot of money. Being success.
What year was that?
I'd be lying. I'm thinking around 2005.
Is it?
Yeah, around 2005. Because being success. No, I'm lying, man. 2000, I did my matric. I was 90. When was it? 99.
Yeah.
99.
Over 2005.
Yeah, no,
900.
No. 2000, yeah, 1999.
Yeah, 1999.
Yeah. So yeah, it was a.
But in you bengasi flop.
Yeah, bengasi flop at that time. And I mean, now I could afford to buy my own toiletry, afford to put his vice and manji time. I saying it doesn't have to take me to training all the time. Thing was ngithola indlela yami yokufika ejimini mase ngu first team yabo yena usupporte until the development level yabo. When I signed for the first team, there I was alone now. Yabo bengistravelela, and then at times Eric Ramasike, I remember Eric Begazo Twilight Vets, he was coming to the end of his career, and the Rodman was Uchindlule Ingbege a Crystal Park in Lule Boxberg, Boxberg.
Yeah.
So we became very close friends with Eric. Up until today, we are still close, you know. And Nami played at Sundowns now after Vets, where he's the legend of Sundowns. He still play my games, my Sundowns legends up until today.
Yeah.
So he was one of the guys who helped me a lot as well in terms of the transport, because sometimes we used to finish training late, and the bus belibeka amajita eSoweto. So sometimes benginokuya eSoweto ngigile edladleni eSoweto because wami usasekhona eSoweto edladleni. So benginokuya khona mawuthi sifinisha late ukujima yabo. George Mkhotsi used to take us there, who was working for Vets at that time. Yeah.
So what was your best moments nje ku Vets nje njengoba uku Vets, and how long have you been playing for Vets?
Yeah, so Vets, you know, the one thing I would say was that the environment, you know, the environment is so important for a soccer player. And there was a great environment at Vets. You know, I enjoyed the environment. You were free, and there was not that much pressure, you know, because I see team a favor. I want to security. So
the coach ayina pressure.
The coach ayinayo leyo pressure engako yabona. And it wasn't like it's a must ukuthi kumele siwin league yabo, even though we always competed, you know, because there was a lot of competitors at Wits, a lot of Abo Royal Maldew guys who would play even with a broken foot, you know, fighters, you know. So that's one thing I learned a lot from them, and they also gave me that freedom, because I was the skillful player, you know, to say, Tina, we'll do the dirty work here.
Yeah.
You know? So they gave me a lot of freedom. I really enjoyed playing my football at Wits. They gave me a breakthrough in my professional career, you know, so I really enjoyed playing there. And what would I say would be my highlights at Wits? You know, I became the young player of the season. And I'll never forget my debut in the starting lineup. I scored a brace playing against Swallows, which was the team yasedlangeni ebeyithandwa kakhulu edlangeni.
Lazo uncle uke wadlala kuwe.
Uncle ke ladlala i-timer, ama-timer eSwallows aseSoweto.
Yeah, iSwallows vele
yeah. And I was able ukuthi nge-first game yami in the starting lineup ngishaye i-brace against i-team yaseGasi. Yabona mangifike eSoweto edlangeni kunesipane ayakhala lama-team ubulala thina ku-first game yakho yabo. So those are just nice stories to tell, because football has always been a background yasedlangeni. Namanje intwana zonke yabo, my brothers, children, my nephews zonke ziku-football ezinye. The way they even analyze the game, you can see that they live football yabo edlangeni. So it's nice to go there nje makune game like weekend, ngoba ngiyazi ngiyobloma nazo zonke le ntwana, and they love football, you know. Some of them are still aspiring to be professionals. And your nephew Yami is playing for Pirates now, is in the team le Pele besika sign with Swallows before, unfortunately Swallows yasekhaya yabhayiziseka, but then you can
ukupelepele man.
Ukupelepele
ezimnandi le ntwana zepelepele. Ziyaphusha ne. So uma ukuvaya kwakho la waya ku Sundowns straight.
So from Wits, obviously, after enjoying my football at Wits, you know, I was doing very well at Wits, playing week in, week out. My fitness levels were good, and I was making a mark. You know, I was basically the face of Wits University, you know.
So inyuku wona bayikhuphukisi ke manje ngoba manje kuba ngcono.
Khuphuka after 1-2 seasons nyana yabona, but
still awuyigijimisi akusinto.
So nakhona it wasn't the biggest worry. I'm still a youngster. Whatever I'm getting, yabona, I can get through the month with everything. Sahlala ekhaya yabona, I'm not thinking about angina pressure yabona ukuthi ngiphume endlini yabo. So
mara imedi that time angisho manje zongenile phela.
Esanendesigela mfana evethe campusini tap zonke zida. And I wasn't bad looking as well, so
sure.
So izinto zakhona mfethu.
So adjust negwegwe manje yaphuma manje.
Izinto zakhona mfethu, obviously ukhula, but then again I had to be very careful yabona, as a professional player ukuthi ngingabhayiziseki, because you know, you can
temptations
lose focus, temptations. That's why I got married at a very early stage in my life yabo, ngoba bengibona ukuthi labantu bazongiphazamisa yabona, especially the time sengu Sundowns. Now I'm a big player, I'm earning big money, you know, playing for a big team with a lot of support. You need that focus about I got married at an early stage, you know, just to also keep my focus yabo.
So mawudwadla ku Sundowns udwadla kanjani?
So ku Sundowns, very interesting story yabona ku Sundowns, how I got to Sundowns. In fact, you know, I even had a Greek friend of mine in Crystal Park obeka owner ipub. Bekancane Sundowns blind Jita wakhona uCosta Bellows, bekancane Sundowns blind nginokuya ngiyobloma ngidlala isnooker lapha ngisaseyintwana. So the way bekancane isifrustane Sundowns ngakhona lo mjita bekane impitch amajita abo Eric Ramasike bebaya laphayana nabo Kenny Mark yabona nabo Hlupi. yabo bayobloma lapha kupub yakhe yabona ngibona lama player ngithi one day ngiyafuna ukuba lapha yabona so aloko abatshela athi hayi lentwana le yandlala yabona bangibheke bathi
yazi one look
unyana bathi everybody yalthanda bola otherwise
sure
kanti mina ngibhekile ngisho ngithi one day is one day kanti ngempela kuzoyenzeka ngisase kuVits ngishisa kakhulu yabona here comes this businessman uthenga iSundowns and he travels to Ogni Stadium iSundowns iVits isidlala neChiefs eOgni he comes nge-private jet laphayana he comes specifically to have a look at me kanti langa la khona vele ngizoshaya equalizer iChiefs base leader 1 sidlala nabo Shafu full house eOgni ngishaya equalizer
lapha
ngiyabhaza strong hayi ngene icall ke manje amakhola ayangena madoda mambush mutawo Peter Controlis ngiyafonela left right and nayo le uCosta nayo sekuyi-agent manje bakufula lapha
akakabi ne-agent
yabo angakabi ne-agent ngesikhathi yabona what did I have an agent? Can't remember whether I had an agent at that time.
Besoploma isikhathi singakanda kuVits.
Sengiplomile boma 3 seasons kuVits. I think it was my 3rd season. So yeah, these guys came knocking yabona bathi lo muntu ufikile azokubukele Ogni Stadium he wants you he just bought Sundowns billionaire businessman yabona Patrice Motsepe and mina vele bengithanda iSundowns even the way idlala ngakhona yabona it was
mara mawukhula bo favor vele iSundowns
so iSwallows because bekuyi-team yaseKhamakhula yabona bengithanda iSwallows yabona bo Calvin Peterson no Cousins AC Mnini yabona I loved iSwallows I had a soft spot for iSwallows but I always could see that these guys beSundowns the way badlala ngakhona badlala man football the way yabo I envisioned football to be played you know and I always felt ukuthi mangadlalela team efana naleyo it will also excel my talent yabo push my level so I fell in love with Sundowns after a while but iSwallows ngeke ngayifavor
right
nebhakani I had a soft spot for
iSwallows ingaphumanga ku PSL that time should maybe bozobe ulibele ufavor yona but uthanda iSundowns
masengidlala bengingasasi kakhulu iSwallows ngisakhula ngisaseyintwana nje ngoba itime angiyazi ukuthi bekuyiswayi so mina bengihlale ngilandela itime beline soccer team futhi time Ngutu United. Madida played for the time Ngutu United. So yabo diski into yase joined from Igdala. So Swallows nje bengi had a soft spot because ngiyazi ukuthi edladleni my uncle ne-timer. But Pirates ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngeke ngayithanda. Nama player lapha bo Etienne Tsunda ngikhohlwe le yangwenya le yaye kuma foreigner yikho ingwenye beyinklatsa njengale Etienne Tsunda so he made me love iPirates nayo had a soft spot but Sundowns at a later stage definitely my career sengidlala bengithanda yona
okay
Roger Futumba yabona bo Charles Mutloyi
wavele wayifavor
Kampamba ngavele ngayifavor
tot manje
sase Sundowns
so le out le nenyuko yakudonsa le Grootman
le Grootman le langidonsa mfethu so malingidonsa kanje everybody was happy neVits it was the biggest paycheck for iVits
nice
at that time yabona it was 1 million I was sold for 1 million from Wits to Sundowns everybody was happy nasedlaleni sacala yabona sasaba ne-meeting ukuthi is this the right move yabona ngoba ukuthi hayi wonke siyavumelana ukuthi it's time to further my career
sure
and we did it you know and I was very happy with that move yahambelana nama-changes amaningi
into ezibhaya za-change
akasele yavuma strong
nawe socabanga ikari manje
vele manje sengiya straight emagarage manje ngiyobheka umshini yabo kumele
mhlambe bukhani ucala ukuba ne-bank account at that time kuVits
ukuthi abe ngiyoshintsha i-check ngenza izinto manje sekumele manje ngibheke
uyovula
i-bank account
yeah
ngoba kuhambelana nama-sign-on fee yonke into so yeah bese kuqala
bathini uma bakutekene inyuka yakhona ithini awuna-agent phela and i-signing on fee ithini
so actually I would be lying. I can't remember my first.
And that time maybe it was when 2002, 3,
2004.
Okay.
2004, 2005.
Yeah.
Fika ku Sundowns abo Sipho Nunes bebalapha abo Sandile Ndlovu.
Yeah. AK47. Yeah.
Now machita la
Paulos Mase.
Chichawe,
Paulos Mase.
Paulos ngamthola la.
Yeah.
Paulos, yeah. Coach ku Oscar Fuloni.
Yeah.
So yeah, lapaya I can't remember how much it was, but I remember
but it was a lot.
It was a lot
at that time.
It was a lot at that time.
Anyway, na lebe bakayona ayikhulunywa le.
Yeah.
Every month.
Yeah, no.
Angisho khona amanye amajita awamind ukukhuluma ukuthi no bangaya 50 scores.
Yeah,
bangaya
no, I don't mind. It's just that I don't remember. So
okay.
I don't want to give
estimate
a wrong figure.
Yeah.
around Boma 35 to 40.
Yeah, 35 to 40. It was a lot of money.
Money for me, including the sign-on fee. Then I was able to uthi manje sengathola ne townhouse nyana yabona sengikwazi ukuthi ku sign-on fee sengakwazi ukuthi yazini let me ngifake i-townhouse nyana engizoyirentisa out yabona.
Okay.
Nga waste inyuku kube khona investment ekhona sesenza ama investments.
Into ezibhaya vele za change kakhulu.
So say change life manje sengiya driver yabona. I remember my first car ngathenga i 200 IS cadet.
Yeah,
ngathenga i 200 IS cadet sengiyejimini ngemoto manje yabona. Sikumele ngibe responsible ngenyuku nezinto ezibhaya yabo. Nakhona sengiyakwazi ukuthi mantendi sengikhipha nami a certain portion ukusiza edladleni.
Sure. Kade kahle ukuthi endlini bancede ngasamanye.
Before ngiphuma sengiyohlala ngiyi-1 ngacala endlini ukuthi yazini nama responsibilities asendlini nakhona ukuthi ngisize yabo. Edladleni manten makwenziwa ama-gross hayi usadli kuphela nje wena so uyafaka nawe yabo.
Yeah, sure.
Ngisa ukuthi uyasebenza.
Yeah. So ama-challenges mawufika la ku Sundowns yimaphi ama-challenges ohlangane nawo?
Well, ama-challenges engihlangane nawo kakhulu mina mangifika ku Sundowns ama-injuries.
Injury.
Yeah, which was not something I experienced a lot when I was at Wits. So ku Sundowns thema ngifika nga experience leyo nto ke manje ama-injury manje ayipheli 3 games ngingalimalanga.
Abuyaphi ama-injury?
Mfethu ama-injury lawa snacks lawa akusila ukukhahlelwa nani yabo. Yeah, manje lama-injury akwenza ukuthi ucabange manje ukuthi madoda manje kwenzakalani yabona. Yabo ngapha uyazama ukuthi uthandaze ukuthi yabona.
Endlini bathini bona mawuhlushwa ama-injuries?
Phela nabazama ukuthi basupport yabona mara izinto zesiZulu akusiyo izinto engikhule ngazo nasedlaleni yabona. Dadeni uLedlami, she's a pastor even today yabo ababelieve kulezo zinto lezo zesiZulu nani yabona. So yeah, those are the kind of challenges that I came across ke manje lama injuries and the snacks yabona kusila ukuthi uzofaka i-ice yawo uyaphola bowukhahleliwe. I've never been kicked even once. But you thola ukuthi sometimes nje yabona nje kuyaqhuma ngaphansi kwenyawo. Groin yabona injury isikhathi eside. So those are the challenges that I faced.
So kahle isikhala besikhala lapha ku Sundowns asibeke nje straight singabalekile.
Kahle ngisho mfethu ngiqala ngifike vele ngitshela ukuthi ayikho into efana nale ayikho into eso yabo. Ngisitshela nje ukuthi hayi into eso
ayikho kanjani.
But manje when reality strikes nakho ngilimele phela ngazi ukuthi ngizodila kanjani ngale issue.
I-position boyilwela nobani da?
Not hey wesibabhaya lapha.
Benibhaya.
Yabo. Hey, yeah, let me not mention names.
Kuba ngathi
Ngathi yiwe
yeah.
But nje yeah, besibabhaya yabona where there's a lot of abodakhi mfethu sonke sibelieve entweni eziningi, and they're not necessarily ukuthi mhlambe bekushaywa wena, it's just that everybody's using these things
For bona,
yabona,
maybe.
and wena awuzazi lezi zinto ezishayela
amashawa
share amashawa
nini namaroom yawashare
amajita nekhemi opponent anekhemi yabona zonke lezo zinto ukuthi wena awuzipanisi lezo zinto, so ziya-affecta somehow. I think that was what it was yabona.
but
And to be honest, at that time because of i-background yami yasedladleni yokuthi abazijwayelanga lezi zinto zesiZulu nabo, it was difficult for ukuthi bang-advise ukuthi makusong yenza kanjani yabo, or eventually when I did yabona nje bengasinto yasedladleni fandi one yabo, so it was an Achilles tendon for me leyo nto leyo, but at a later stage ke got to realize ukuthi kunento serious ongayibheki idlozi lakho wena self yabona, kumele wazi idlozi lakho, your upbringing yabona. I think when makuhamba isikhathi ke sengiyenza lezo zinto ke acknowledge idlozi lami, things got better.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Hayi mayithina sicabanga ukuthi ihala
ezocabanga ukuthi ihala kanti maybe sometimes ushaywa nayibo ngoba manje bathi awusesikuthathile sikubeke la
usikhohlile,
so usikhohlile,
so uyabhestira usathengi nesinefinyana ke
awubongi yabona izinto ezinjalo
maye ngoba i-Sundowns beyihlala vele from dala ihlala inalento ukuthi they are the highest paying team. Half of my player Njojo, and there's always that one guy city highest paid player. At that time, go Sundowns ubani beka ku engathi bekayibamba kakhulu bekayithwala. I remember mina iqale futhi or maybe aqalanga ngayo Peter Ndlovu. I know ukuthi that time I don't know if he was there when you were also playing for Sundowns.
Yeah, so the first players to be signed by Patrice beku Clement Mazibuko, Hilton Jordan, Sipho Nzuzo, Nami. Those were about the first couple of players to be signed by the era ga chairman, ga president. So I just remember a story nje manje when you ask about that highest paid yabo, khona enye awuthi after esihamba naye stadium sithi siyobukela igame, so ngihlangana no Roger lapha mase sengu Sundowns. Mama ngihlangana no Roger singena e-stadium, so ngimfuna itikiti lesuit. I don't know whether one of my friends needed a ticket yabo, so athi kimi, yes, it's the highest paid youngster in the country is asking me for a ticket. So yeah, at some stage when I got signed by Sundowns, I was the highest paid youngster, but obviously about Clementi, I think bekabuya e-Russia naye, so there was a lot of us on high salaries. Obviously, makufika nabo Peter Ndlovu ke Peter bekabuya from England. He was earning in pounds, you know. He got to Sundowns, so clearly, obviously, he was earning much more than me. Loyo muntu loyo yabona. I-profile yakhe, and he was one of the guys who used to take the whole team after training asithathe sonke asise restaurant to Sundowns. So I be strong kakhulu,
very strong, beyijimile yo.
Yeah, beyijimile blind.
Yo, what was it? Okay, so your best highlights ke ku Sundowns?
Yeah, a lot of highlights. I mean, we won a lot of trophies at Sundowns, you know, league title. I must say one of my highlights was when Neil Tovey and Gamondi was the coach, because those were the coaches who really gave me an opportunity, and somehow during that time azange ngilimale for at least 10-11 games lapho ngacacisa ke futhi nakhona ukuthi ubani umuntu owazi net, because in that 10-11 games la ngalimali khona ngashaya inet waya lapho yabona. Became the top goal scorer at Sundowns in that season, and I was the young player of the season as well, and we won the league, you know, so I contributed in winning the league. Yabo, ngashaya inet lapho ngaze ngalimala. As usual ke ngoba ukulimala bekuyinto bengi-expect ukuthi at some stage izoyenzeka, but at least I had that run where I was scoring. My goal scoring ratio was very high. I was scoring in almost every game at that time until ngalimala ke i-groin, yabo. So I think that would be the highlights, you know, because Neil Tovey, Gamondi, they really gave me that opportunity, whereas before Engel Kappa was the coach before uzongena bo Gamondi no Neil Tovey, and then he didn't really give me that much of a chance, including many coaches who were there, was Stoichkov, they just never gave me an opportunity. But when I was on the field, bengishaye span.
Yeah. So kusquad that time kwenzakalani? Ushayinet phela.
Yeah.
So
Shayinet, ngiyabizwa nasesquadini, umuntu wangibiza esquadini uBaxter. Stuart Baxter called me into the national team. But I only have one cap. Yeah.
Konje ngena dlala ne Barcelona ne. Khona la ngikubona khona umakana no Ronaldinho.
Yes. That's definitely another highlight of my football career, you know. Playing against the idol yakho.
Sure.
Ronaldinho, I never missed a Barcelona game when Ronaldinho was playing. And I'm a Barcelona fan. So what the president did by bringing Barcelona was so big, you know, and we even got to interact with those players the day before the game. We had a gala dinner, you know, about Iniesta, Xavi, you know, the world's best players, and it was a big highlight, you know, it was something very big, you know, playing against Ronaldinho, who was the biggest player in the world at that time. And I remember even Latuma dubbed the game with me and Ronaldinho, you know.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, so, actually, namanje nesasithombe esikhona.
Yeah. So that was a big highlight, you know. And I think Gordon was the coach at that time, Egerson. So yeah, that was also a big highlight, you know, playing against a big team like that.
Yeah. Bona ushabangu bekakhona la.
Yeah, bekakhona Rato Ace. Ayilo yamuntu bekayifaka ibonus. Ace
benisa ne.
Ace besithi singana plan.
Yeah.
Bekayenza iplan uAce bekashaya net lo yamfana.
Yeah.
Bekashaya net. Yeah, besinabo Ace abuvuyo, Brent Carroll says, Surprise Muriri, Oscar Ntwagai, Benson Mhlongo was the captain at that time. Dylan Shepard was there. You know, so it was a quality team. Behlangene leyo yabona. The Sundowns team now is doing wonders, you know. Nabo Pacey, Nabo Billiard, you know, the guys that came after us, they took it to even a higher level and they won the Champions League, you know, which is something that was always the vision of the president. Even when we got there, he wants to conquer Africa. He wants Sundowns to be the best team in Africa. You know? So we got to see that at a later stage, and it was so good because we always knew that vision, you know, and we always pushed ourselves to that level. And then when these guys eventually did it, it was like, wow, you know, this guy had a vision, you know.
Yeah.
And people were saying that football cannot buy success. Money cannot buy success.
Yeah.
This guy had a vision, and you can see,
and it actually paid up.
And it actually paid up. Now the team is playing a Club World Cup. They're getting lots of money. You know, it's a big team. You know, in the world. In fact, people got to recognize who Sundowns is in that Club World Cup.
Yeah, and then at some point ngeke ngabona nidlala kune PSL 11 nidlala nesquad. Was it when you were still with Sundowns, or was it after?
I was with Sundowns lapho nabo surprise.
What happened vele that time ukuthi bayenzile PSL 11?
Yeah, so Ted Dimitro was the coach of the national team at that time. Abo Sbusiso Zuma, I think Sbusiso Zuma was the captain of that team. I remember. Nabo old John Mabizela base squad, and then I think they had failed to secure a friendly game, Ibafana Bafana. So what they decided to do was to get the best PSL 11 to play a
The
game.
international break at that time.
Yeah, international break to play a game against Ibafana Bafana just to give them a run before they go to Egypt.
Yeah.
For the AFCON.
Yeah.
So we were chosen to play in that PSL 11 together with Abo Seila Shabalala.
Yes, sikhumbula le squad. Hey, manifika rani
Simpiwe Shabalala were in
yeah,
that
Simpiwe
PSL
Shabalala was
11
lapho
squad.
ku PSL 11 bekagijima lapha
So
yana.
that was when Simpiwe Shabalala
Aku Free State Stars, I think,
baqala
that time.
bambona bekasase ku Free State
Yeah,
Stars.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
where waqala shine lapho
Yeah,
kuleyo
bekagijima.
game.
Mina ngicavela kuleya
Kuleyo
game.
game. I remember nami ukuthi that's where now nabo Chiefs took note of him.
Yeah.
Kuleyo game leyo wasayina ku Chiefs and the rest was history for Ushaba wascorela the opening goal
World Cup,
South
yeah.
Africa.
Yeah.
So a lot of players were seen from there. I remember also a couple of players even from that team corner abathathwa from PSL 11 bafakwa ku
squad.
Bafana Bafana.
Straight, yeah.
Yeah, yabona. And I remember uTed mina wathi ish, I don't know what it was, that little bit nje ukuthi ngingene in the national team, but he was impressed with my performance.
Was it not your injuries?
I don't know whether I can't remember whether it was the injuries, but then thina besisitshelile vele PSL 11 ukuthi
Laba siyabalanda.
laba Phethusela Phethusela lana yabona iskill factor
Yeah,
you know,
and tribula kuleya game benidlula when bathatha vele.
Cheese boy ngapha ku squad bekashisa ayenza izinto zakhe nathi masilibamba ngapha surprise yabona siyabaceda. It was such an entertaining game, and it's just a pity you don't see that flair anymore in South African football. You know, the game has become so serious, yabona, but you can even see the bums on the seats are not there because that element of flair, which is what we specialize in as South Africans, you know, which is what makes us unique and different, has been cut out. You know, I don't know whether it's because of these international coaches that come into the country.
I think so,
You know, but yeah, that's just a pity. You know, when you watch that game, I think it's even trending right now, this game.
Yeah, it was trending.
Media,
it was trending a few weeks ago.
And people are really craving for that flair that they bring. Yeah.
So, Mike, was Sundowns to Plume for how long that time?
Yeah, I was at Sundowns for quite a while, you know, even with my injuries, you know, but the president really didn't want to let me go at Sundowns. You know, he really felt like I'm part of the furniture. In that team, you know. And I loved the team, you know. It's just that I knew how good I am and I wanted to play. You know,
still wanted to play.
You know. So even sometimes when I didn't have the injuries, I'd have issues with the coaches, you know, for some reason, you know. I don't know whether it was because maybe I'm a fan favorite and nokuzwa egroundini mfethu uthi usahlele benchini crowd is saying I think it also used to irritate the coaches. And it was a disadvantage in me for me somehow.
Ngathi uyambulalisa
abanye bathi
akafuna
ukudlala ngoba uncanywa ipresident uncanywa naye
akafuna ukudlalisa or maybe he was trying to prove a point.
Exactly. I'll give you a story. I'll tell the story. Gordon Egerson, before I even touched the ball when he got to Sundowns, he told me a story about a player that he coached who was like me, who was loved by the chairman and the supporters, and he thought he was going to play because he now uthandwa amasupporter the chairman. He used to get calls as a benchini lapayana to play this player. He never played this player, so he was telling me, "What you see, these teeth, these are not my teeth. Ngashawa ma supporter ngene Megawatt Park, and they beat me up. So I didn't play Steve Likolea. I won the league and I resigned. So don't think you're gonna play because uthandwa ma supporter ne chairman. Hey,
how?
Ngakathiti neball.
How not?
ngakathinti neball. So you see the type of challenges I had as a player, but then God got to give me an opportunity to play. Maybe because manje sekafeel pressure ngoba manje ngayitshela ingwenya mina ngathi nayi ingwenya yakho ikhuluma kaso ngisafika njengakajim nokujima ingwenya ikhuluma kaso hayi president yathi yini ayikho wathi no you're going to give Shakes an opportunity like every other player bona ngeke umtshele
awukakalithatha
lo muntu wena ungitshela ngoSteve Likoni
anicavani phela lo muntu
so Gordon kahle beseka under pressure ukuthi angidlalise noma ngasekho mnandi because of how he spoke
so awungitshele uke waspana no Paul Doleza
yes I worked
khona la ku Sundowns
and
then i-coaching yakhe eFrostani was a funny guy kuyi-out grand mara masekusetshenzwa yasetshenzwa
no it was a character Paul yabona was a character Paul Doleza yabo bekasigijimisa
beka strict masekusetshenzwa
no grounded beka strict you know
and
you were not gonna play mongekho fit so bekasigijimisa mase pre-season we used to train 4 times a day sivuka ngaboma 5 ekseni siyogijima ebeach eDurban so I remember charity spectacular super fit ngimasifika lapho ngoba we used to work hard but ke masehamba season throughout the season manje ama injuries ayaqala ke manje because of weight yaleyo yabona but he was a great character well dressed ayezokushaya ngendwangu uDoleza Costa ayezokushaya ngendwangu yabo great character thina ke sibiza ngama big animal big animal athi Shake you confuse my player you look that way you pass that way yabona so it was a great character and I remember one game that I will remember besidlala the Chiefs FNB and Chiefs was leading 1-0 I saw introduce angilahlela uDoleza and at that time I think his job was on the line vele we were not doing too well so if we had lost that game bekavaya wangilahlela ngashaya net equalize wahlanya after the game wathi Shake you're the best
more like you saved my job
you saved my job you're the best why you don't do this every weekend it's maronglahleli every
weekend
so but funny enough when we get together with the Majita Mambushi Guma Legends game Mambush still has Doleza's number so we call him we check up on him Silkukili Rodman sometimes Maralia Kumbula la moments so it's always good to is somebody man okhumulekayo
sure being so manje la ku Sundowns uma uchifta kanjani kwenzakalani
so ku Sundowns man ngikhawathekile ama injury abhaya haven't been playing for almost the whole season ne Stoichkov my figure nayo yabona is a coach with a big ego he was once a Ballon d'Or winner le yabona so nayo ngathi kenywa yizo zona lezo zinto ukuthi
uba
fix lo kabizwayo ngivalele ngaphandle lo muntu angidlali yabo kanti kuzoba Doleza same Doleza aye ku ACs and the ACs ngathi be was facing a relegation yabona ngcina ngiya khona ku ACs yabona on a move to ACs ke together with abotso Vilakazi ngiyakhumbula besinabotso saya ku ACs sithi siyoyisave from relegation unfortunately it wasn't to be it was too late ya relegate to ACs from there I get to with the end of career ke manje I remember I went to Shoes bega coach Alex United. I had a stint there at Alex United. Shoes the late. Alex United. I think I was scoring almost every game for Paya.
The Alex United
bedlala what was that division? Third division after NFT, APC. I think it was. Just to keep fit ukuthi umuntu angadlali ngisafuna i-team yabo. So kwaba ne breakthrough ke yokuthi ngiye eBotswana. Utso ngifonelwa utso vilakazi uthi ikhona ingwenya yasifuna la eBotswana yabona and is not a football person, he's a businessman. He wants us to help him also in the running of the team, not just as players. So now the succession plan as well for life after football. So I saw it as a great opportunity. And the money was also good. So I say Botswana not so, and as I push ngempela riding in the team about Ntwana, this is respond to us, players that they've seen playing in the professional ranks. The professionalism is changing. We're changing the whole setup of the team, and the team was responding. I must figure in Manteda in Gwenya money. Nama problems manje ayisangeni you yena ekhulume ngayo manje sesiyabhayiziseka and then people Botswana is so small sesiphume emaphepheni every week hey kuthiwa ngwenya vilakazi hey homeless manje ama-check ayabounce emahotela manje hey sekuyistory manje the kick off seyasifonela la ekhaya kwenzakala manje yabo I decided ukuthi yazini asibuyele ekhaya mfana ngeke sizosokola leso sikhathi i-team iyaresponda lapha seyi-number 4 le team ehlala ine-relegation or yabo iresponda kahle but manje masingaholi mfethu yabo sesiphume emaphepheni hayi masithi yabuya i-Township Rollers now the biggest team in Botswana ithi wena uyindawo wena siyakufuna
utso wabuye wena usala
so basho kanjalo ngithi mina ngize nalo muntu lethwe uye lo muntu manje nithi nisayina mina niyambhayizisa yena yabo Township Rollers ithi no ngisho manje thina sineke foreigner, it can only be 2 foreigners in a team la yabo. So I think Township Rollers igcina ibhadala isalary yatso adlala kwenye team
kuba ngathi nimlonile so
yabo. I think that's how much these guys
bebafuna wena bavele badangeke naye siyamdonsa ngokuthi wena ngeke uvale
so ke yaqhubeka kanjalo i-career yami ke eBotswana ke Township Rollers nakhona countera wama problems amanye lapha same problems i-coach lapha uMadinda Ndlovu i-Grootman kaPeter Ndlovu Madinda Ndlovu i-coach laphayana but kusho ukuthi leya team beyiphethwe i-Grootman abathu Somerset yabo and then kwaba khona i-buyer ye-team I don't know ezothatha a certain percentage i-businessman abathi uJack Dish yabo. So mangisayina mina lapha ngisayinwa uSomerset yabo nangisayinwa i-coach sayina Somerset, so maybe coach mhlambe yayingafuni ukuthi kwenziwe that type of signing. So instead of ukuthi siwork together nalo muntu, I come from PSL, I'm here to add my experience to other players. Kube ngathi manje who does he think he is? Yabona so yabona those types of problems. So le out ingivalela ngaphandle noma sizodlala Champions League le Chiefs la, I'm the only player who's played against Chiefs. Labanye ama-player alapayana, they probably even want some autographs. They're idolizing this boy.
Yeah.
Now instead of using me work together, ukuthi yabo kuspana kanjani ayena ufuna
aspanise i-experience
yami sispanise i-two instead yena he wants to help me yabo. Le out ngitshela ukuthi I became the top goal scorer eBotswana. Iloku ingafuni ikudlala, iloku ingidlalisa ama-10 minutes nama-5 minutes.
Wena ulibele
uyabona nje kule 10 minutes nje vele ngithi uNkulunkulu, I'm playing against this man, I'm not playing against ama-opponent.
Ukhashaza
yena ngihashaza yazi ngahashaza khona la ngilahlela khona 5 minutes ahashaza 1 e-change room masingena athi hayi ndoda hayi uyayishaya inet man mhlambe kumele ngikunike 2 minutes
Yeah.
yazi ngiqhuba le outline eduze wami ngithi uyabuza uthini coach
Hawu.
uyayizwa le coach am I hearing this alone
Mfethu.
ukuthini
Uthi mhlambe kumele ngigaye 2
Kumele ngigaye 2
minutes.
minutes.
Ngoba mangigaye 5 minutes nje hayi uyashaya inet.
kusho ukuthi lo muntu akekho happy ukuthi
Yeah.
ishaya inet and coach yami le kumele ngabe uba happy
Hawu mfethu team yawina.
so unfortunately those are the things I encountered in my
Yeah.
football career, my friend, which made my football career not so good as it could have been, yabo. But yeah, today I can tell these stories yabo to my kids, yabo. Ntwana yami ayiqala iba frustrated kancane ilwa no coach ngi-explainela ukuthi mina this is what I went through, yabo. But at the end of the day manje I'm still a household name. Abantu, they appreciate my talent. So these are the challenges that you face sometimes, yabo. And I try and help him with other things, how to tackle other issues and other situations because abantu nje, we are not the same.
Yeah. And do you have any moment whereby you feel or you regret having to play football ever since?
No, definitely no regrets at all. No regrets, even for you know, you always feel what, yeah, maybe after Vets, maybe I could have waited and got an opportunity to go overseas or something. But, you know, in football, I mean, I just felt good, you know what, there are no regrets. Everything taught me a certain lesson.
Yeah,
you know?
basically you learn from everything.
I learned from everything.
Yeah, so some of the decisions vele zizoba khona uze uthi eish mara kumele ngabe but otherwise siyenzakele.
Yeah, yenzakele.
Nayo ke wa benefit from that decision anyway.
Yabona, exactly. Yabona.
So what would you or yini engasho ukuthi mhlambe your best 11? Give me your best 11 from when you started playing, because obviously before when udlala bakhona abanye abantwemu awudlalanga nabo but ungabafaki uLucas Radebe abo Roger ungabafaki
yeah.
From when amawudlala ukuza ka
yeah, from mina mangidlala one that comes to mind nje mawukhuluma ngebest mawuthi
best level
Ochi Mabizela at the back, who would be my goalkeeper?
Ithi singathi eteamini yakho kuphela ithi ngithi from ku-era yakho mawasagame idisk yeah nabo ma-Pirates boma-Chiefs boma-in
Tumele Nkune, John Mabizela, Benson Mhlongo.
Uyasipaka manje Benson Mhlongo shuthi center back no OJ.
Yeah, center back no OJ.
Yeah.
Angifuni ukuexplainela bonke sizoceda kudala ukuthi why market.
I'm not explaining. No, it's fine.
Vuyo Mire?
Yeah. Smeres.
Thabiso Ramile?
Halala. Eza sepoch.
Yeah. Surprise Muriri?
Izinja madoda. Nawe ungasifaka ni?
Thaba Muki?
Tiki.
Mistrike. Kushoda ngayo. Gift Liremi?
Eish, Vava Vum. May his soul rest in peace.
Quality, Joe. Left and right.
Yeah.
Quality. Nami la behind the strikers.
Yeah, izinja.
Up front. Beleno Mvete.
Aus.
Wingwenya le.
Beyigijima le yangwenya. Beyishayinet. Beyimnandi.
Blind. So angazi kusasele ngaki mara uMambushi ngidlalile naye iKhotmani naye beyishayinet.
Okay.
Ngayilahlela lapho in that fold.
Yeah, ebenchini.
Benchini.
bangakwateli mfethu angithi niyahlangana manje nidlale nonke namanje bangathi mfethu lapha ku-riding kuma-legends bathi ngibeke ebhenchini
Abangifakanga abanye abayenza ama-podcast abangifakanga emathini
abangifake podcast abangifakanga mfethu
there was a lot of quality, man, Ali. The likes of your Thabo Muki, somebody I admired. Jabu Pule was one of the best players for me in our era. I would have him, the team is just, I'm thinking out of my head right now. The likes of your Steve Licolea, household names in the country, who were really quality players. Rato Shabangu, definitely I'll have him because I'm fan of really bonus. Yeah, so no, I'd say, and then if I had to name a coach, I'd say the late Ted Dimitri.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, because he understood that team would have played with so much flair. He was one of the only international coaches who understood us.
Yeah. All right. So asindlule sesiyayivala manje siya review manje idiski kancane ya like us manje I league ever since it started uyibona kanjani?
Yeah, you know what? The game has changed in so many ways. It's evolved. Analysts manje nezinto eziningi in football, and I understand time moves, but I still believe we should, we can't program the players, players need to be able to express themselves on the field, and I think that's what's lacking. But yeah, technically, I think the game has grown, and I still enjoy watching Sundowns play. I see a lot of quality, in the players today that are playing, and I just believe it's become too technical, man. When you're watching other teams playing, I remember I used to watch a lot of South African football. In fact, ukudala Y2K mangibukele arrows ngiyazi ukuthi kuyafiwa mara manje
it's beautiful to watch manje.
Now I watch certain games. I don't watch all PSL games.
Yeah. So kwamanje mfethu before singena kakhulu ku PSL lento yaka riding ika bathu bani uTebogo ubani riding umkwena ne umkwena ku
Rulane
no bathu bani wayengikhohlwa letsotsi ledlala ku Sundowns le bayidlalise ku squad man.
Yes uTebogo
uTebogo
umkwena
why kwenzakaleni ndoda out of kusho everything that happened mfethu singayenza mistake efana nale.
Yeah, you know what, and it's not the first time. Remember, even during Pitso's time, kanti asazi kwenzakalani, so disappointing when Ali mfethu at that level.
At that level
to be making such silly mistakes. You will not hear that from a German team, German national team or anybody else.
You can't make the same mistake. Isidlala la eKasi, la eLokishini, isidlala la phayana eKasi. Angeke uyenze, right?
And the boys have been doing so well. Hugo Broos's national team has been doing so well. He's been able to blend in the youngsters, so impressive. And then you're going to get stupid, silly mistakes like these that will hinder the progress of the boys. Now we need to make sure we win our games, and it's so disappointing, isn't it? When Ali, but nevertheless, 100% behind the boys. They play good football and they're good to watch. I think Hugo Broos has revived that love again for Bafana, and people really are supporting the team.
Yeah. So iliki yava,
where it belongs. Where it belongs. No, I believe Sundowns, obviously the transition with coaches this season has has
affected.
has affected, you know, what we used to. We used to Rulani ball, you know, we used to the way Sundowns was playing, you know, but yeah, management felt that they needed changes. Obviously, the big one is the CAF Champions League, which has been eluding us since we've won it, and we want it so much, you know, to conquer Africa. And I believe we will, you know, but yeah, this transition with the new coach has not been as smooth, but you can see the results are still coming for Sundowns, you know, and quality players are still being signed. We saw Nuno Santos being introduced in the first starting lineup this week and taking the man of the match. So I still believe, as much as the gap is gonna go down because Pirates is also showing the quality.
Yeah.
You know, you can see the likes of your Moremi. There's a lot of players that are shining at Pirates. They made good signings. Abo Police, Abo Sibelebele, Abo Masterchef. You know, there's a lot of quality. Abo Mufukeng, such quality. You know, so it's not going to be
an easy one.
This one is going to be much tighter this season, but I still believe Sundowns have enough to take it again.
Yeah. No man, mngani. So intwana sekasi ekhulayo edlala idiski wena, what would you say kuyo? How would you advise leyo ntwana or motivate leyo ntwana?
Yeah, I would say, you know, if you believe in your dream, you know, you don't give up. Like me, I came from Ngutu. I was a boy from the Midlands of Ngutu. I was pushing my craft. One man, and I always had that dream that one day something will make it possible ukuthi ngize ngifike ku-professional level. Yabona? So kwayenzeka ama-dynamics the way ayenzekala ngakhona. Ukuthi ngize ngizithole eJozi, which gave me the opportunity ukuthi manje to be seen, you know. So I would say that never give up, always follow your dream, work hard, because this is a game of millions and millions, you know, who want to play football at that highest level. So what makes them different from everybody is how much more you want it. You know, so
the hunger comes with it,
you know, to play. Because I could have given up still and said, under 17 B team. There's so many other guys that I know who were just as talented or even more talented than me, but they didn't have that hunger that I had to play at that level, you know. So the hunger is very important, and the work rate, and things will fall into place.
No man, ngiyabonga man ukuthi ushaye round uzishare le story sakho mina. I'm very happy. I really appreciate. Ngifila ngathi ngiyi-president.
No, thanks a lot, Ali, for having me on the show, you know, and it's good to see that people appreciate what you did, you know. I've spoken a lot of things. Some stories are really sad, you know. You don't want to see other kids go through what I went through, you know, but at least I can come here and tell my story and motivate other kids, you know. So I appreciate that opportunity to be here.
Ama-injury ngisho manje mele manje kahle kahle siwabonile iplan awasakuhluphi.
No, ngiyadlala eThembisa manje ngishaye inet mnganami eThembisa almost every week. I love the game of football, you know. I play it for fun as well, you know, and it's also good to keep fit and keep your mind working properly, you know. So when you are exercising, football is the best exercise for me. I do get injuries because obviously I'm not as fit as I should
before,
be. But it's better than before, manje.
No, ngiyabonga njayami, ngiyabonga. Guys, sesiqedile siyayivala manje bafethu. Bengiphethe uShakes Manqoba Ngwenya, izinja madoda. Siyabonga ngesupport. Continue bafethu ni support, ni like, ni subscribe lapha ku YouTube. We are also available on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook as well. Asibonge bafethu, until next time. Danko.